found you, Carrie Ann, fire burning in your eyes. Your touch lit the darkness, your kiss stole my soul. We fell into forever, lost in rock and roll, cruising through the night, windows down, wild and free. Just a little smoke, you and me. Carrie Ann, we burn so wild and true. Chicago lights, St. Louis nights, only me and you. Meridian Street calling, laughter in the air. Your room, my room, secret nights we share. Our feet by our side, loyal through it all. We love so deep, answered heaven's call. Carrie Ann, though time tore us apart, you're the fire still burning in my heart. Escaping small town chains, chasing open roads, Chicago skyline calling, where our passion flowed. St. Louis stars above, holding you so tight, lost in hidden places, burning through the night. Bodies moving hungry, sweat and fire collide, making love with fury, nothing left to hide. Every touch, every whisper, pure desire, felt like endless love, set my soul on fire. Carrie Ann, we burn so wild and true. Chicago lights, St. Louis nights, only me and you. Meridian Street calling, laughter in the air. Your room, my room, secret nights we share. Our feet by our side, loyal through it all. We love so deep, answered heaven's call. Carrie Ann, though time tore us apart, you're the fire still burning in my heart. Time crashes down, relentless, tearing us apart. These memories scream